Hello.
Hi.
We are off of International Drive, not too far from Universal Studios, and not too far from Epic Universe as well.
Yeah.
We are filming a campaign for Hidden Sushi, and so we're going to take you in tonight and just kind of show you what Hidden Sushi has to offer. They're an all-you-care-to-eat Brazilian-style sushi restaurant. It's mom and pop type place. We know the owner just because we've been hosted, and now we've done this is our second sponsored post with them. So we're coming in to film, and I think before though we have like 10 or 15 minutes. We're gonna stop into Gods and Monsters, which is a comic book store here in Central Florida. They've had a presence here for a while. They were over at a mall nearby and had a huge space, and they've condensed down to a smaller space. So we're going to show you. They also have a secret bar in the back.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah, so we'll show you that. So if you are in the Orlando area, you're visiting, or you live here and you're looking for a comic book shop and just like a store with fandoms, Gods and Monsters is a great spot. There's this little courtyard building. It's very echoey in here. And Hidden Sushi is there, tucked in the corner, hidden. And then Gods and Monsters is right here. So we're going to go inside. Hopefully. Go ahead. This is Vault 5421. So right now the bar is not open. They have it closed off. But you could even get this for a private event if you wanted to. It's kind of cool. There's a big table right here. I think the bar is probably more open on the weekends. We're here on a Tuesday. There's Alien up there. But this is a great little hidden gem here in Central Florida in the attractions area. Check the caption. I'll put the link to the information about this place so you guys can check it out if you're wanting to come here while you're visiting. We are in the restaurant now. We already had our first serving, and I forgot to bring out the camera to film. So we're doing they have a new fondue menu, and so we are doing that. And so it started with the savory fondue, which was steak. It was really good. The beef was really good. Tender. I'm gonna slice in my mobile footage from my iPhone so that you can see it. Plus the cheese fondue, bread, shrimp, and then sashimi salmon, and then they had a ponzu sauce to dip your sashimi salmon into. The shrimp, I did dip the shrimp into the cheese sauce. It was fine, but maybe you would dip the shrimp into the ponzu sauce. So kind of interesting concept of having fondue at a sushi restaurant. But my friend from Brazil says that during the colder months, some of the restaurants in Brazil, no Japanese that he's seen, but some of them do offer a fondue menu special during the colder months. So I guess that's what Hidden Sushi is trying to do here. We're now waiting on the dessert portion of the fondue, and then I'll probably order a plate of sushi, and if TJ wants anything sushi-wise, we'll still showcase some of the all-you-care-to-enjoy sushi. We now have the dessert portion. They have fruits, the chocolate fondue, and then they have a panettone cake, like the Italian-style Christmas cake there. All right, let's try it. The chocolate fondue was actually delicious. Everything they served it with, I think TJ's favorite was the strawberry. They have the panettone, which was really good. The panettone tastes fresh. And even the grapes. I was like, grapes and chocolate, but it was good. And then, of course, they have banana, too. So now we're going to show you kind of what kind of sushi you can get here from Hidden Sushi. I just asked for a medium-sized plate of just a beautiful presentation of sushi. So I'm going to show you that as well. The sushi has come, and we have a plate of an assortment of their sushi. This is from their all-you-care-to-eat menu. So you can order as much of this as you'd like for their all-you-can-eat price. Very nice. I will put the price on the screen so you know what it is. Of course, that price is based on today's date at the time of recording. It's always made fresh to order, so it's not like an all-you-can-eat buffet of sushi. The sushi is made to order. Some of the unique things about Brazilian sushi, like this one that kind of looks orangish on top, that is passion fruit that's sitting on top of that one, and you can taste the passion fruit. So some of the rolls here are sweet. You have some hot rolls, which are fried on the outside. So these are kind of more common what you see in Japanese restaurants in Brazil. We just finished dinner. I'm full, but not overly full.
Yeah, same.
What about you?
Yeah, I was going to say the same thing. I'm full, but not to the point where I feel gross.
Yeah, I don't feel gross. I mean, I ate more than you because I ate more of the sushi. Because one of them, though, was blue cheese.
Oh, he's just not a fan of blue cheese.
I'm not a fan of blue cheese, and I forgot they have a blue cheese roll. And I was like, what is this one that's kind of darkish bluish on top that looked like mold?
Oh, all right.
Which, that's what blue cheese is. And I bit into it. I was like, oh, yeah, it's blue cheese. So, yeah, there's quite a different variety of sushis. They even have a Dorito one that has Doritos crunched up on top. They didn't put that on our plate today. But I just told her, give us a medium-sized plate of sushi. And so that's what she did. One time, they brought it out to me when I was being hosted. Were you there for the one where they had the smoke inside of it?
I think I'm going to miss that one.
Yeah, I don't know where you were. Where were you?
Probably working.
That was while I was doing content. So who did I bring?
Maybe Faye.
I don't know. Faye hasn't been here yet. Anyway, so they brought the plate of sushi, and they had a dome over it, and they had smoked just for like effect. Not for actual taste, just for effect. Anyway, we're now headed over to Ulta, because TJ needed to pick up some product that our Ulta by our house doesn't have. So we're going, I can't even picture in my head which Ulta we're going to.
It said it was right around the corner, so.
Okay.
We're just going to go there.
And what is the Christmas movie?
Yeah, so today's Christmas movie is Happiest Season. That is streaming on Hulu. It's with Kristen Stewart. Basically, it's about a couple who goes to visit their family, but she hasn't told her family that she came out yet, and so just comedy ensues, and it's just a lot of drama, fun drama, and then it's like civil rivalry. It's just a bunch of craziness that goes on, but it's really funny. It's a good comedy.
It's a good comedy. That one is, I know I keep talking about made for TV or not. This one is definitely theater quality.
Oh, what's her? She was in Agatha All Along. She was in it too. You think I would know her name? This is terrible. I'm gonna cut this out.
I'm not gonna cut it. I'm just gonna leave it
Nope.
while he Googles it.
You better not.
It's okay if you can't remember something. That's why we have phones.
Wow.
You're just embarrassed. He's just embarrassed that he can't remember the person's name.
Because it's Aubrey Plaza.
Oh.
Yeah, she was in it.
Oh, Audrey Plaza is in it. I forgot about that.
Yep.
She's kind of like an antagonist, not like a bad guy per se, but she's an antagonist. Yeah, it kind of makes me want to watch that again. Because, you know, you watch something that you've seen someone like come up and like be more successful and do more things, and then you kind of want to rewatch some of the stuff you've seen them in before, or stuff that they've done that you haven't seen yet. So I definitely want to watch that. I love her.
I even knew back then, like even before that, in movies and TV shows I've seen her in, her comedic timing's always just been like amazing.
It's perfect. So but yeah, that's it for Vlogmas for today. Okay, so tomorrow I'm doing this without TJ. I know he's a little disappointed, but there is a new restaurant over at the Island Tower at the Polynesian Villas and Bungalows. This is the new DVC Tower, and there is a bar lounge. So I don't have a reservation because it's walk up. So I am planning to walk up during lunchtime.
I'm gonna figure that out.
So wish me luck for that, because the word is now kind of out that it's open. Like our friend Kristen right down Main Street, she went and posted on her stories today. I'm sure by the time we get home, her YouTube video will be out for it.
Yeah, I saw her stories. I don't want to spoil anything, but I didn't hear great things about the espresso martini.
Yeah, she did not. I didn't pay attention too much to her story, but I did see that story where she didn't love the espresso martini. So hopefully there's stuff that she does love on it.
There were good things.
Okay.
But I'm saying hopefully for your trip, there's some good stuff.
Well, Kristen ordered the whole menu pretty much. I won't be doing that. I'll probably be picking the things that she likes.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
I let Kristen go in
and be the guinea pig.
Yeah, even though, you know, she's, you know, getting higher engagement because she's one of the first, right? She's the first to get in there and do it. But thank you, Kristen, right down Main Street, for your recommendations so that we can go in and hopefully pick the stuff that's the best on the menu. But that's it for today. So thank you so much for joining us. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. I'm also I've kind of planned out some days of stuff that I'm going to do for Vlogmas. If there's anything else that you want to see, let me know. Put that in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you to our Patreon members. And we'll see you again next time right here. Bye.